In this video, we cover important 3-mark questions from biology, physics, and chemistry for class 9. Question number 1. How does water kept in an earthen pot become cool during summer? Answer. The earthen pot has tiny pores that allow water to seep out. This water evaporates, absorbing heat and cooling the water inside. The boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature on the Kelvin scale? Answer. Temperature in Kelvin is equal to 78 plus 273. 78 plus 273 equals 351 K. Question number 2. Name the cell organelle other than the nucleus that contains its own genetic material. Answer. Mitochondria and chloroplast contain their own genetic material. Write two differences between plant cells and animal cells. Answer. Plant cells have a cell wall, while animal cells do not. Plant cells have chloroplasts, while animal cells do not. Question number 3. Name the following tissue that forms the inner lining of our mouth. Answer. Epithelial tissue. Tissue that connects muscle to bone in humans. Answer. Tendon. Tissue that transports food in plants. Answer. Phloem. Tissue that stores fat in our body. Answer. Adipose tissue. Connective tissue with a fluid matrix. Answer. Blood. Tissue present in the brain. Answer. Nervous tissue. Question number 4. Differentiate between parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Answer. Parenchyma, soft, living cells, stores food. Collenchyma, provides flexibility and support. Sclerenchyma, dead cells, provides strength. Question number 5. 1. Write an expression for the work done when a force is acting on an object in the direction of its displacement. Answer. The expression for work done is W equals F multiplied by D multiplied by cos theta, where W equals work done, F equals applied force, D equals displacement, theta equals angle between force and displacement. 2. A pair of bullocks exerts a force of 140 newtons on a plow. The field being plowed is 15 meters long. How much work is done in plowing the length of the field? Answer. Using the formula W equals F multiplied by D. Given F equals 140 newtons. D equals 15 meters. W equals 140 multiplied by 15. W equals 2100 joules. Question number 6. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second is 25 joules. 1. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is doubled? Answer. The formula for kinetic energy is Ke equals 1 divided by 2 multiplied by m multiplied by v squared. Given Ke1 equals 25 joules at velocity 1 equals 5 meters per second. When velocity is doubled, velocity 2 equals to multiplied by 5 equals 10 meters per second. Since kinetic energy is proportional to the square of velocity, Ke2 equals 4 multiplied by Ke1. Ke2 equals 4 multiplied by 25 equals 100 joules. 2. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is increased 3 times? Answer. When velocity is tripled, Velocity 3 equals 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15 meters per second. KE3 equals 9 multiplied by KE1. KE3 equals 9 multiplied by 25 equals 225 joules. Question number 7. 1. State Archimedes' principle. Answer. Archimedes' principle states that when a body is immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. 2. Write 2 applications of Archimedes' principle. Answer. Shipbuilding. Ships float because the buoyant force balances their weight. Submarines. They adjust buoyancy by controlling water in ballast tanks. Question number 8. Convert the following temperatures to the Celsius scale. A 300 Kelvin. Answer. The formula for conversion is T Celsius equals T Kelvin minus 273. T Celsius equals 300 minus 273. T Celsius equals 27 degrees Celsius. B 573 Kelvin. Answer. Using the same formula, T Celsius equals 573 minus 273. T Celsius equals 300 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. Calculate the formula unit masses of the following compounds. 1. Zinc oxide. ZNO. Answer. Formula unit mass equals mass of zinc plus mass of oxygen. Equals 65 atomic mass units plus 16 atomic mass units. Equals 81 atomic mass units. 2. Sodium oxide. Na2O. Answer. Formula unit mass equals to multiplied by mass of sodium plus mass of oxygen. Equals to multiplied by 23 plus 16. Equals 46 plus 16. Equals 62 atomic mass units. 3. Potassium carbonate. K2CO3. Answer. Formula unit mass equals to multiplied by mass of potassium plus mass of carbon plus 3 multiplied by mass of oxygen. Equals to multiplied by 39 plus 12 plus 3 multiplied by 16. Equals 78 plus 12 plus 48. Equals 138 atomic mass units. Question number 10. 1. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why? Answer. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy in the form of ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate, through the process of cellular respiration. 2. Why are lysosomes known as suicide bags? Answer. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that can break down cell components. If a lysosome bursts, these enzymes can destroy the entire cell, which is why they are called suicide bags. Question number 11. Write the difference between the 3 types of muscle fibers. Answer. A. Skeletal muscle. 1. It is voluntary, meaning it is controlled by the person. 2. It has a striated striped appearance under a microscope. 3. It has multiple nuclei in each cell. 4. It is found attached to bones and helps in body movement. B. Smooth muscle. 1. It is involuntary, meaning it works automatically. 2. It has a non-striated smooth appearance under a microscope. 3. It has a single nucleus per cell. 4. It is found in the walls of internal organs like the stomach and intestines. C. Cardiac muscle. 1. It is involuntary, meaning it functions without conscious control. 2. It has a striated appearance like skeletal muscle. 3. It has a single nucleus per cell. 4. It is found only in the heart and helps in pumping blood. Question number 12. A train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. Answer. Using the formula. Acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, where initial velocity equals 0 since the train starts from rest. Final velocity equals 40 km per hour. Converting to meters per second. 40 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. Final velocity equals 11.11 meters per second. Time equals 10 minutes equals 600 seconds. Now, acceleration equals 11.11 minus 0 divided by 600. Acceleration equals 11.11 divided by 600. Acceleration equals 0.0185 meters per second squared. Final answer. The acceleration of the train is 0.0185 meters per second squared. Question number 13. An echo is heard in 3 seconds. What is the distance of the reflecting surface from the source, given that the speed of sound is 342 meters per second? Answer. The formula for echo calculation is distance equals speed multiplied by time divided by 2. Given speed of sound equals 342 meters per second. Time for echo equals 3 seconds. Now, distance equals 342 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Distance equals 1026 divided by 2. Distance equals 513 meters. Final answer. The distance of the reflecting surface is 513 meters. Question number 14. 1. Compare the use of manure and fertilizers in maintaining soil fertility. Answer. A. Manure. A. It is natural and made from decomposed organic matter. B. Improves soil structure and water retention. C. Releases nutrients slowly, enhancing long-term fertility. B. Fertilizers. A. They are chemical-based and provide specific nutrients. B. Help in rapid plant growth but may degrade soil over time. C. Excessive use can lead to soil and water pollution. 2. Which method is commonly used for improving cattle breeds and why? Answer. Artificial insemination is commonly used. Reasons. A. Allows breeding of high-quality cattle for better traits. B. Reduces the risk of disease transmission. C. Increases milk and meat production efficiently. Question number 15. Write the chemical formulae of 1. Ferrous sulfate. Answer. FeSO4. 2. Sodium chloride. Answer. NaCl. 3. Sulfuric acid. Answer. H2SO4. Question number 16. What is acceleration? Answer. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity of an object per unit time. It is given by the formula. Acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, where acceleration equals a, final velocity equals v, initial velocity equals u, and time equals t. To a train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. Answer. Given. Initial velocity equals 0 since the train starts from rest. Final velocity equals 40 kilometers per hour. Convert to meters per second. Final velocity equals 40 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. Final velocity equals 11.11 meters per second. Time equals 10 minutes, which is 600 seconds. Using the formula, acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Acceleration equals 11.11 minus 0 divided by 600. Acceleration equals 11.11 divided by 600. Acceleration equals 0.0185 meters per second squared. Final answer. The acceleration of the train is 0.0185 meters per second squared. Question number 17. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meters per second squared for 2 minutes. Find A. The speed acquired. B. The distance travelled. Answer. Given. Initial velocity equals 0 meters per second. Acceleration equals 0.1 meters per second squared. Time equals 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds. A. Speed acquired. Using the formula, final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. Final velocity equals 0 plus 0.1 multiplied by 120. Final velocity equals 12 meters per second. Final answer, the speed acquired is 12 meters per second. B. Distance travelled. Using the formula, distance equals initial velocity multiplied by time plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by acceleration multiplied by time squared. Distance equals 0 multiplied by 120 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 120 squared. Distance equals 0 plus 0.05 multiplied by 14,400. Distance equals 720 meters. Final answer, the distance travelled is 720 meters. Question number 17A. Write 3 differences between an animal cell and a plant cell. Answer. A. Cell wall. A. Plant cell has a cell wall made of cellulose. B. Animal cell does not have a cell wall. B. Vacuole. A. Plant cell has a large central vacuole. B. Animal cell has small or no vacuoles. C. Chloroplasts. A. Plant cell contains chloroplasts for photosynthesis. B. Animal cell does not have chloroplasts. Question number 18. 1. Suppose you and your friend are on the moon. Will you be able to hear any sound produced by your friend? Justify your answer. Answer. No, you will not be able to hear any sound on the moon. This is because there is no air or atmosphere on the moon to carry the sound waves. Sound requires a medium like air, water, or solids to travel. 2. The frequency of a source of sound is 100 Hz. How many times does it vibrate in a minute? Answer. Given. Frequency, F is equal to 100 Hz vibrations per second. Time, T is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The number of vibrations in 1 minute. Number of vibrations equals frequency multiplied by time. Number of vibrations equals 100 multiplied by 60. Number of vibrations equals 6,000 vibrations. Final answer, the source vibrates 6,000 times in a minute. Question number 19. 1. Name the connective tissue which connects to bones. Answer. Ligament connects to bones. 2. Mention one region in the human body where adipose tissue is present and state one function of the tissue. Answer. Region, around the kidneys or under the skin. Function, adipose tissue stores energy in the form of fat and provides it. Question number 20. 1. Which gas is called dry ice? Why? Answer. Carbon dioxide CO2 is called dry ice because it exists as a solid at low temperatures and sublimes directly from a solid to a gas without passing through a liquid state. 2. How does evaporation differ from boiling? Answer. Evaporation is a slow process that occurs at the surface of a liquid at any temperature. Boiling is a rapid process that occurs throughout the liquid at a specific temperature when the liquid reaches its boiling point. Question number 21. Which of the following conditions will give the most benefits? Why? 1. Farmers use high-quality seeds but do not adopt irrigation or use fertilizers. 2. Farmers use ordinary seeds, adopt irrigation, and use fertilizers. 3. Farmers use quality seeds, adopt irrigation, use fertilizers, and apply crop protection measures. Answer. 3. Farmers use quality seeds, adopt irrigation, use fertilizers, and apply crop protection measures. Reason: this approach provides the best results because it ensures optimal conditions for plant growth by combining high-quality seeds, sufficient water, necessary nutrients, and protection from pests and diseases. All these factors together improve crop yield and quality. Questions discussed above may appear for 4 or 5 marks as well. All the best. Stay tuned.